Hi there, I'm Wes from Autodesk Singapore. Let me share something important with you today. It's an undeniable fact that we are witnessing a change, a shift. We human beings are moving from the digital age to the machine age. Knowing that, we have to ask ourselves few important questions. Are you prepared for it? Is your business ready for this kind of disruption? What are the challenges and opportunities stored for you? What will be the role of high-skilled workers, agile practitioners, academies, governments, entrepreneurs, business owners in the future? If any of these things ring any bell, then come and join me at Agile Tour Bangkok and take a deep dive and see how product development will look like in the age of automation. Back to work for me. See you soon.